Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Heaven by Kane Brown. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, E minor, and D major. If you can play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord that we're going to learn is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Our next chord is going to be E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. And our last chord for this song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be C major for 3 beats, G major for 5 beats, E minor for 3 beats, and D major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern on the C major chord. Down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's apply that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Heaven. This is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. I couldn't dream this up, even if I tried. You and me in this moment feels like magic, don't it? I'm right where I wanna be. Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go, saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you in this bed with you, I ain't convinced, 'cause I don't know how heaven could be better than this. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Heaven by Kane Brown. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.